Have you ever had one of those days where your drive goes perfectly fine until someone else decides to ruin it? Yeah, you've probably been there. Cruising along, minding your own business, and suddenly someone cuts across your lane or backs up without looking, and you're left thinking, great, now how do I prove what actually happened? That's the moment you realize you need a dash cam. And not just any dash cam, but one that gives you real protection without making your life harder. So today, let us show you the one that caught my attention for all the right reasons. The Baseus Prime Trip VD1 Pro Solar Dash Cam. Trust me, once you see what it can do, you'll wonder why you didn't pick one up earlier. Let's start with the crown of the jewels. Yes, it only needs to be plugged in while you're in the normal driving mode. Once you put it in the parking mode, you can forget the hardwiring part. Not a single cable. You just set it up, switch off your car, and it enters this smart standby mode where it rests quietly until something happens. Thanks to the built-in lithium battery, the solar panel, and its low power consumption feature, whether there's sunlight or not, you get up to 14 days of protection without touching your car's fuse box. That means if someone bumps your car, taps your bumper, or even gets too close, the dash cam wakes up instantly and records a 30-second event video. Additionally, you can save up to 40 event clips between the front and rear cameras, and they're locked and protected so they don't get overwritten. Crisp 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Now let's talk about video quality, because what's the point of a dash cam if you can't see what's happening? The front camera shoots in 4K UHD, which means you can clearly read license plates, see road markers, and catch details you'd normally miss. You also get a wide 170-degree field of view, so the camera captures almost everything happening in front of you. The rear camera records in 1080p, which is perfect for anyone who parks in tight lots or deals with people who love reversing without checking their mirrors. Both cameras give you smooth, clean footage that actually looks good, no matter if it's day or if it's night. Night vision. And speaking of night, you'll like this. A lot of dash cams claim they have great night vision, until you check the footage and everything looks like a shadowy blur. This one uses a Sony Starvis sensor, an f2.0 aperture, and HDR, which means you get real visibility in low light. You can actually see details, headlights, faces, plates, and all the things that matter when it comes to evidence. So whether you're on a dark road or parking in a dim spot, your footage still looks clear. Smart G sensor. Another thing you'll appreciate, the G sensor is actually smart. It can detect 3 levels of impact. High sensitivity, something small like a person brushing against your car. Medium sensitivity, slow speed bumps. Low sensitivity, major collisions. This saves you from random false alarms and focuses on what you actually need. Wi-Fi 6 plus full app control. Moving on today's date, no one wants to deal with removing SD cards or hooking up cables. You can just connect to the dash cam through the Baseus app using 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6. You get faster downloads, easier sharing, GPS route details, and quick access to your saved clips. You can even update the dash cam through the app. Just keep in mind, it connects when you're near the device. It's not meant for remote access. Voice control, English only. This might be your favorite part. You can control the dash cam with your voice. Yes, hands-free. Just say commands like take a picture, open screen, turn off display, lock the video, show front camera, show rear camera, and it responds instantly. It keeps your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. GPS plus loop recording. You also get built-in GPS that shows your route, your speed, and your trip details. And you can choose SD card sizes from 32 GB to 512 GB, depending on how much you want to record. So, is it worth it? Here's the simple answer. If you want a dash cam that works hard without making you work hard, this is a great choice. You're getting hardwire-free 14-day parking protection, clear 4K plus 1080p video, strong night vision, useful voice control, fast Wi-Fi 6 transfers, GPS tracking, and reliable G-sensor detection. And one more thing. There's a discount going on right now, so if you're thinking of grabbing one, this is a good moment to do it.